Come test drive the 2020 Ford Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip and go with Ford Escape. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, power liftgate, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, lane departure warning, leather wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, floor mats, keyless start, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, rear defrost. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.